Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your home. Today we will discuss Chapter 2 Exercise Explanation. I hope you all are doing great at home and also taking care of all COVID 19 protocols like washing your hands oftenly and covering your mouth while coughing and sneezing. So, we will discuss the exercise part of chapter number 2 today. Let's start it. For fill in the blanks, the first thing is the living organism need food to grow and survive. Vitamin A, D, E and K are soluble in fat, whereas vitamin E are water soluble. The deficiency of vitamin B in the diet causes a disease called beriberi. Question number 4. Vitamin K helps in clotting of blood. 5. The dietary fibers constitute roughage. Moving ahead for the true and false, we can see that the first line vitamin and minerals are bodybuilding food, that is false. Our skin makes vitamin E in the presence of sunlight, that is also false. Our skin makes vitamin D. Deficiency of phosphorus can lead to anemia, that is also false. We should eat food that has all its essential component in the right proportion, true. Kwashiorkor occurs due to deficiency of fat in the diet, that is also false. It occurs due to deficiency of carbohydrate and protein. Moving ahead, tick the correct option. The first question is, when a drop of iodine solution was put on the cut surface of a potato, it turned black and blue in color, which indicates the presence of a starch. The deficiency of vitamin A in the diet causes a disease known as night blindness. Iron is essential for growth of teeth or bones, formation of hemoglobin. So correct answer will be formation of hemoglobin. Fourth question, a child who has bow legs is suffering from a disease. Answer will be rickets. The deficiency of protein in the diet of children can cause a disease. Answer will be kwashiorkor. Moving ahead to the brief answer. The first question is, name the important sources of our plant. So we can write, plants and animals product are important sources of our food. Question number 2, state the importance of carbohydrate in our diet. Carbohydrate in our diet are a source of energy which help us in various type of work in our day-to-day life. Okay, moving ahead to the third question, where you have to write down the name of vitamin whose deficiency cause the disease of. For night blindness we will write vitamin A. For beriberi we will write vitamin B. For scurvy we will write vitamin C. And for rickets vitamin D. Moving ahead to the fourth question, name any 3 of the minerals needed by our body. Answer will be sodium, calcium and iron are important minerals needed by our body. Question number 5, state the role of calcium in our body. Answer will be calcium build our teeth and healthy bone. Question number 6, write the full form of the terms PEM and PCM. You all know that PEM stands for protein energy malnutrition and PCM for protein calorie malnutrition. Moving ahead, the first question of E part, you have to write the 2 sources for each of the following. For carbohydrate we will write wheat and rice. For protein, egg and meat. For fats, vegetable oil and milk. For roughage, fruit and vegetables. For vitamin A, cod liver oil and milk. Vitamin C, lemon and orange. Students, please subscribe my channel so that you will be updated with any new video. Moving ahead, question number 2, name one test each for detecting the presence of following in food. For प्रोटीन, ये सारे जो टेस्ट हैं, ये सारे टेस्ट आपके बुक में भी लिखे हुए हैं. यू कैन राइट इट फ्रॉम देयर ऑल्सो. If you don't have book, then you can write from the explanation given here. Okay, these same tests are given on page number 20 and 21 of your books. You can write from there also, and if you have no book, then you can write from here too. Okay, so this is the test for protein, and on the next page there is test for starch as well as test for food, for fats, sorry. Moving ahead, आपको आई थिंक अगर आपको ने अब तक ये आंसर ना लिखा हो, सो प्लीज़ टेक अ स्क्रीन शॉट ऑफ दिस एंड राइट दिस इन योर कॉपी. Moving ahead, the question number 3, why do we need proteins and how they affect our health? Protein helps in building up of the developing tissue of a growing child. They also take care of wear and tear of the body tissues at all ages. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, मिनरल एक्स इज एसेंशियल फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कंपोनेंट वाई. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें कौन सा मिनरल, जिसको हमने एक्स वाई और जेड लिखा है, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट विल बी द करेक्ट टर्म फॉर द नेमिंग एक्स वाई एंड जेड. फॉर आंसर्स विल बी, फॉर एक्स देयर विल बी आयरन, कंपोनेंट वाई के लिए हीमोग्लोबिन, डिजीज जेड के लिए एनीमिया. बिकॉज उसने कहा है कि हमें वो कंपोनेंट जानना है जो कि ऑक्सीजन को ट्रांसपोर्ट करता है, दैट इज हीमोग्लोबिन. डिजीज जो जेड है वो मिनरल एक्स की कमी से हो रही है, सो इट विल बी आयरन. एंड डिजीज जो हो रही है डेट विल बी एनीमिया. इसके बाद सिम्टम ऑफ डिजीज को भी हमें डिस्कस करना है. सो वी कैन राइट पर्सन अपीयर्स पेल एंड वीक and body shows fatigue, loss of appetite and whitening of nails and swelling of hands and feet. Question number 5, deficiency of iodine is more common in mountainous region. Why? Deficiency of iodine is more common in mountainous region because soil and water are poor in iodine in this region. What is balanced diet? Why should we take a balanced diet? A diet that contains all the nutrients in right proportion is called a balanced diet. We should take a balanced diet for the proper growth and development of the body. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप कि आप लोग इसको समझ चुके होंगे. इस एक्सरसाइज को अपनी कॉपी में प्लीज़ पूरा कर लीजिएगा. कल से हम लोग चैप्टर नंबर 3 डिस्कस करेंगे. सो स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ and have a great day. Please subscribe my channel and stay connected. Thank you so much.